First, you need to create a GitLab token. Navigate to your GitLab project. Go to Settings and select CI/CD. Within the CI/CD settings, locate and expand the Runners section. Click on New Project Runner. On the New Project Runner page, Operating System, Linux. Check the box for Run Untagged Jobs in Tags. Add a runner description. Unselect Paused, Protected, and Locked to Current Projects. Enter a maximum job timeout recommended, 1800 seconds. Finally, click the Create Runner button. Now the runner is created. Copy the runner token for later use. These steps will allow you to create a GitLab token, which is essential for later. Now visit the AWS Marketplace. Click Continue to subscribe to begin the subscription process. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration to customize the instance according to your specific requirements. Select your preferred region in Configure This Software page and click Continue to Launch button. Select Launch CloudFormation in Choose Action. Click Launch button. Now we can create stack. Ensure the template is ready. Radio button is selected under Prepare Template. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Select your preferred key name. Choose an instance type recommended, T3, medium. Paste the copied GitLab Runner token in the Runner Token field. Set location as 00000. Under Stack Failure Options, select Roll Back All Stack Resources. Click Next. Now review and verify the details you've entered. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create EM resources with custom names. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. You can easily locate the corresponding stack by searching for the stack name you entered in Step 2. To verify the GitLab Runner, follow these steps. Go to your GitLab project, Settings CI or CD Expand Runners, disable Shared Runners. Click on Pipelines under Build. Select Run Pipeline. In the Run Pipeline page, choose the branch name as Master or your preferred branch. Click the Run Pipeline button. The pipeline will run successfully in a few minutes. Reach out to Meetrix support via support@meetrix.io for assistance with GitLab Runner issues.